Morning.
Good morning. Come on, everybody knows. Hey, good morning.
Tato tadi.
Okay. Welcome everybody to my presentation. And my name is Hoang. And okay. Today I'm gonna present you about my a little about my junior years so far, and about how chemistry has impacted my life, my work, and my career. Okay, so in this year I started playing basketball a lot, and I started running and playing basketball, and my second year studied chemistry. I studied chemistry like in Vietnam for like a year. So now I'm gonna talk about my chemistry year in United States. I have learned a lot about a lot of definition in chemistry, like the periodic table, some reactant in class, and more chemicals. And I play a lot with chemicals, especially in the end of the semester. And I also learned how to be safe in labs. So now I'm gonna tell you how the chemistry has impacted my future career, my work, and my normal life. Okay, so most people know that I want to be a pharmacist, which is like this, giving people medicines and heal their diseases. And I think that's really connected to my career, because when I do study in chemistry, it's connected to like produce more medicine as the pharmacist in the future. And I also learn how to be analyzing prescription. So as a pharmacist, I have to produce like very safe and guarantees medicines over studies. And according to the fact that every pharmacist is supposed to produce medicine every year, because more diseases keep coming into the world. So this evidence has shown that they show that I have analyzing skill over doing study and experience in chemistry. And in chemistry class, during every experiment, I use a lot of chemicals and other materials to help me, like using the data and data, like correct amount of chemicals, and this help me be careful in the process of making medicine. And this evidence has shown that if I want to be famous pharmacist, I have to like produce good medicine without side effect. Let's move on. Okay. So I choose the title "What the Personality" because I have very many bad characteristics. Like most of them are like reckless, which is like I never care about my work. Since like when I was in Vietnam, and I used to work like always individually. So I'm gonna tell you guys about the story that I have in Vietnam when I was in 6th grade, and I was doing the history test, and I did a test where I didn't like when I finished it and it didn't look it back, so I got very bad grade, like an F or something. And in chemistry too, in 8th grade, you know. And I so during the semester I learned how to like after every experience I have learned how to like figure out by myself how the uncertainties of sources after the experience. So I try to make find out a mistake by myself and work individually. Honestly, I never work in group in Vietnam, like never. So it has changed me a lot since I came here, because as an immigrant we need to supposed to talk a lot in group so we can improve the speaking skills and other skills. So after the first 2 years I have become like kind of good leader, but this year I'm not being a real leader because I have to step up and back to let other students practicing their English or improving their English. So I have like very high complete who I'm supposed to be as a leader or something. Okay, I'm gonna talk about my chemicals, which is H, the Miss Sarah named it. I don't know why. Okay, so chemical H has been connected to my life because it's making laptops and phone because it's metals. And everybody know metals? Yes, because Kathy explained it already. don't lie. Okay, and I also eat chemicals every day, like it's soaps, like candies and all of that make like chemicals. And I also use chemicals like lipstick and all the things, like clothes or something else. Okay, so I also learn the safety in lab. Like I have to wear long sleeve like this, and this kind of shoe, not this kind. I never wear this. I need to wear goggles. This kind, that's okay. Like when you go to the world, you're supposed to wear this. Well, I do this always. And my substance is Naughty Zebra, which is have the properties of Chinese, the electron, and it doesn't dissolve in water. It's at high melting point. It has high density and react with hydrochloric acid. Did everybody guess what Naughty Zebra is? Who asked you? You know this already.
What is that?
Naughty Zebra. Okay. I'll tell you. Is Z, which is ZN. You got it? So this is how Z look like. It's like okay. And it's like Z. Did anybody have any question?
Yeah. You said it connects to your life, yeah?
Uh-huh.
How does it connect?
Like if food, it's in my food, is in where the clothes that I wear.
Yeah, but before you learn this one, you didn't know that the chemicals in your food?
No.
Good
A
idea.
little bit.
And how it helped you when you know that your clothes and your food?
How do I know?
No. How it helped you in life? How, if you know like that, that your food made of chemicals.
So how does it help in my life? Okay, for example, I want to clean my clothes, so it's supposed to have the soap, right? So I can use the soap. It's just like chemicals and then I can clean it
Oh, yeah.
and make it look nice.
I got it.
Oh, my career, my life, and my work. Let's connect to my work because. Wait, let me see.
This is confusing.
Okay, connect to my work because it's recall me about the happened before, how I supposed to be very careful, and it's affecting my characteristic. And the other one is connect to my career because I can do experience to making medicines. Yay!